Hey everyone, welcome to Knowledge Academy's Learn the U.S. States and Regions. So we have fun and cool ways to recognize the regions of the United States. So let's begin. The first one is CAL, or California, Oregon, and Washington. So remember those three states on the west coast as CAL. The next one, WIN. These states like to win, with the states of Wyoming, Idaho, and Nevada. Then we have muck. When it rains, there's a lot of muck, or mud. So we have the states of Montana, Utah, Colorado, and Kansas. Then we have ant. Think there's a lot of ants in the American Southwest, with the states of Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. Then for the column of states above Texas, think they all have a K in them. So there's North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, and Oklahoma, and Kansas is already written. And then in the column of states next to that, write MIMAL, M-I-M-A-L, for the states of Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, and Louisiana. Then in that state that looks like a race car, draw one and think of it as a state of Kentucky. Then in the state below, which looks like a stage, draw one and know that it's the state of Kentucky, which has the Music City, Nashville. Then for the next three states, think pomegranates grow in them. So P-O-M for the states of Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Michigan. Then in that state, way up in the northeast, think it's the easternmost point, so it's Maine. Then in the next few batch of states, draw in a V in the one that looks like one, a lowercase h in the one that looks like one. Then think the state that has a massive hook is Massachusetts, and Rhode Island has the smallest islands. New York is shaped like a Y, and Connecticut connects Rhode Island and New York. And finally, New Jersey is shaped like a crooked J. Then in the Midwest, let's write WI, the old Video Gaming Council, WII, with the states of Wisconsin, Illinois, and Indiana. Then in the state that's shaped like a crooked M, think many people get married in Maryland. Then draw a little squish D in the state that's shaped like one. Then draw an upside down V in the state of Virginia, whose northern part is shaped like one. To the west of Virginia is the state of West Virginia. Then draw a C in the two states that are south, whose western borders look like a C, and the northern part is North Carolina, and the southern part is South Carolina. Then write MAG in the three southeastern states, or magazine, for the states of Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. The magazines need a floor to be on, so under them is the state of Florida. And then the two states out west are always happy and always laugh. So they're the states of Hawaii and Alaska. So here's some help recognizing the regions of the United States if you need it. So the region that's being colored in red is known as the West. It has the states of California, Oregon, Washington, Nevada, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Utah, Colorado, Arizona, and New Mexico. And then the region being colored in blue is known as the Midwest. As the states of North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Wisconsin, Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. Next region being filled in yellow is the Northwest. As the states of New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. Then the region being filled in green is known as the South. As the states of Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida, South Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, Maryland, and Delaware. And Alaska and Hawaii are not connected to the mainland United States, but they're far out west, so I guess you can consider them as in the west. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.